Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap for Wednesday, August 19th, 2026, covering today's action in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. We examine the latest trends, price shifts, and market breadth across asset classes. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly higher today. The S&P 500 index gained 16.27 to close at 7,708.3, while the Dow 30 index added 119.65 to 53,463.5. The Nasdaq Composite Index rose 41.38, whereas the S&P 400 MidCap Index fell 10.64, marking 3 straight down days. Market breadth was positive across the board on the session. In the S&P 500 index, advancers led decliners 284 to 201. Notably, the S&P 400 midcap index saw 213 gainers versus 165 decliners despite falling, while the Nasdaq Composite Index logged over 1,500 advancing issues. Looking at broader returns, all key indexes remain negative week to date, with the S&P 400 midcap index lagging the most. However, year-to-date performance remains robust across the board, where the Russell 2000 index clearly leads all majors with an impressive 22.2% gain. Leading sectors saw strong gains today, led by healthcare, which surged 3.5% to 2,045.81, hitting another all-time record close. Consumer Cyclical advanced 2.1% to 1,950.68, and basic materials rose 1.6%, while consumer defensive broke upward after 3 days of consolidation. Laggards were mostly lower today across key industry groups. Industrials shed 13.80 to finish at 1,537.98, falling for a third consecutive session. Technology dropped 51.24 to 6,844.33, extending its slide to 4 straight days, while financial services broke lower from a 3-day tight range. Global market ETFs were uniformly higher today, with solid gains across international regions. Turkey paced gainers, rising 2.6% to 40.65. New Zealand gained 2.5% to 48.29, reaching a fresh one-year high, while Poland advanced 2.2% to 44.60, achieving a new all-time closing high. Evaluating broader returns among global leaders, year-to-date figures show remarkable strength. South Korea dominates the group with a massive 79.39% return year-to-date, alongside an 11.1% month-to-date gain. Poland follows with a 26.74% annual increase, while Turkey stands up 18.10% in 2026. Tech heavyweights were mostly higher today. Apple gained 6.80 or 2.1% to 316.83. Its second straight-up day with a strong positive trend. Amazon rose 6.39 or 2.4% to 265.84 on a very strong positive trend. Nvidia was the outlier, falling 2.18 to 217.56, closing down a 4th straight day.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. All 5 major cryptos are showing gains today, with notable momentum across the board. Ethereum leads the charge, up 10.7% to 2,122.68, riding a strong positive trend with a 3rd consecutive up day. Solana follows at 82.47, gaining 7% on rising momentum. Bitcoin adds 6.2%, currently at 68,692.27. Looking at returns, year-to-date performance remains deeply negative across the crypto space despite today's rally. Dogecoin has struggled the most, down roughly 37.5% for the year, while Solana sits around negative 33.7%. Week to date tells a brighter story though, with Ethereum gaining about 13.3% and Bitcoin up near 9.3%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The greenback weakened against major currencies today, with the euro, pound, yen, Swissy, and Aussie dollar all advancing. The Swiss franc posted the largest gain at 1.8%, as very strong negative trends prevailed.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.